My previous use of Gantt charts led me to believe that they're overly complicated and can be sabotaged by users not familiar with how they work. I was quite surprised to find that Gantt charts are a helpful and useful tool to help meet deadlines. The Gantt chart I created enabled me to plan my daily tasks around the due dates listed in the chart and worry less about completing the assignment in a timely manner. I used a Gantt chart that I found online and modified it to work for me. In the rows, it displays when I started a task and when I completed a task, and in the columns, it displays the hours I spent on the task until completion. In this way, I can see how many days I spent before completion and how many hours I spent on the project. Knowing both metrics was helpful to me. So here you see my first task was preparatory phase, and the second task was create the splash page. Underneath it are two subtasks of layout and storyboard. I used increasingly dark colors of green to keep them separate so that I could figure out which ones are subsets. So if I come down here, you can see Create Video 2. I had Videography, Edit the Video, and Upload the video to YouTube. Up here I have Estimated Hours and Actual Hours. And as you can see, these reference one of the boxes below. So if I come down here and go to Summation, then you see that those 32 hours are the sum of several of the rows, and that these are the same. I can also see the percent complete in this row. And you can see in the preparatory phase, I had planned on starting on the 23rd, but I started on the 30th. I had planned that it would take 3 hours, and it actually took 5 hours. And what I found was that I estimated it would take about 32 hours, and it ended up taking almost 40 hours. And that's important for me to know for the next time that I start a project of this size. Thank you for watching.